Sejumlah kecelakaan pesawat komersial dalam waktu relatif singkat mengusik kepercayaan warga Amerika Serikat terhadap keselamatan penerbangan. Paling parah tabrakan antara helikopter tempur dengan penerbangan American Airlines. Di Bandara Nasional Ronald Reagan di ibu kota AS menewaskan 67 orang pada akhir Januari.
Americans' confidence in airplane travel has slipped a little from last year, though Americans continue to believe that air travel is generally safe. That's according to a new AP NORC poll, which found that 64% of U.S. adults say plane travel is very or somewhat safe. That's down slightly from last year when 71% said that. About 2 in 10 adults now say air travel is very or somewhat unsafe, which is up from 12% in 2024.
Survei diselenggarakan kantor berita Associated Press bersama NORC Center for Public Affairs Research pada 6 hingga 10 Februari. Tak lama setelah tabrakan di Washington DC, tapi sebelum terbaliknya pesawat Delta Airlines di Toronto, Kanada, yang mengundang kekhawatiran, tapi seluruh 80 penumpang dan awak pesawat selamat. Secara umum, warga Amerika Serikat merasa sama amannya terbang dengan pesawat dengan berjalan kaki atau mengendarai mobil. Sebagai perbandingan, hanya sekitar separuh yang merasa demikian untuk perjalanan menggunakan kereta dalam kota, apakah subway, metro, atau KRL. Pengamat mengingatkan, meski penerbangan komersial saat ini relatif aman, penumpang tetap perlu memperhatikan panduan keamanan.
It's perfectly natural that we zone out when the safety demonstration is being given to us at the start of a flight. But if we did put our newspaper or whatever else down and took our headphones off and reminded ourselves, maybe for the 100th, 500th time, however often we fly.
Selain itu, kenakan pakaian sesuai cuaca dan suhu udara di luar, lalu selalu kenakan sepatu nyaman.
Unfortunately, we can't eliminate all risks in aviation, but what we do is we plan and we train for that. So pilots will go through special training for emergency response procedures. They have special checklists that they execute and train over and over again. Honoring what the safety briefing is when you enter the aircraft is the most vital part of any emergency response. That means that we're listening, and when it's your time to exit the aircraft, you do. You're not grabbing your personal belongings or anything of that nature because that slows down the process.
Jajak pendapat terpisah yang dipublikasikan bersamaan dengan survei AP NORC dari YouGov menemukan bahwa 43% responden sama sekali tak takut saat mereka menaiki pesawat. 34% mengaku agak khawatir, sementara 17% mengaku khawatir. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.